And outrageous, that's one word. One-of-a-kind mansion now on the market, and it can all be yours for a mere $50 million plus. The thing that makes this place so unique, almost all of it is underground. ABC's Cecilia Vega took a tour of this private palace.
Well, tell me the name of your house.
Hacienda de la Paz.
Oh no, this isn't just any old Southern California mansion.
Wow.
Sure, there are tennis courts, swimming pools, even a chapel, but that's normal fancy house stuff. There is nothing normal about this place.
Every kid needs a secret room in their bedroom. Oh my gosh.
Go on up.
This is so crazy.
This is where my son used to play a lot.
From secret passageways above ground
That's pretty cool.
to an entire world below. You see, seafood importer John Blazevich wanted a really big house. And when zoning laws wouldn't let him build up, well, John went down, way down, 5 stories below ground.
We're approaching 20 feet below the ground.
I feel like we're in another world.
At the end of the labyrinth, 2 stories below ground, well, everyone needs a hammam, right?
A hammam is really a wet spot when I say
I
it.
don't even know what to say right now. I'm kind of speechless.
This is all 24 karat gold.
What? You
Either
can do
or.
a mud bath in the subterranean level of your spa.
Everybody needs a mud bath.
Here we go.
But what's an underground mansion without a tennis court? Made to U.S. Open specifications, of course. 50 feet below ground, big enough to double as a ballroom.
It can withstand a pretty significant atomic blast. Or in a major party.
Who would buy it?
Somebody very private who would like their privacy.
How much do you have to pay to buy this house?
This house is $53 million.
You get 9 bedrooms, 25 bathrooms, and don't forget, a hammam.
So I've decided this is where I'm going to live from now on.
For Good Morning America, Cecilia Vega, ABC News, Rolling Hills, California.